Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your old clothes into stylish and sustainable tote bags. This DIY project is not only fun and creative but also helps reduce waste by repurposing old clothing. So let's get started. Using tactics such as this leads to a reduction in textile production, leading to a reduced carbon footprint. Firstly, it reduces the demand for new fabric production, which in turn decreases the energy, water, and resources required for manufacturing new textiles. Furthermore, the process of making new clothes often involves significant transportation and shipping, so by reusing existing materials, we can minimize the carbon emissions associated with transporting new garments. Overall, reducing the production and consumption of new clothes contributes to lowering the carbon footprint of the fashion industry. For this part of the project, you'll need an old t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and any decorations or embellishments you would like to add. Consider using recycled materials of the t-shirt itself, such as the seams or a collar. So let's get started into the project. First, lay the t-shirt flat on the table or a flat surface. This will provide a stable and even surface for cutting and working with the fabric. Next, use scissors to cut off the sleeves of the t-shirt. Cut along the seam to remove the sleeves completely. Take care to cut evenly and smoothly to create a clean edge and ensure that both sleeves are removed. After that, cut off the neckline of the t-shirt to make the opening of the bag larger. You can cut a deeper neckline for a larger opening if desired. This step will help create the handles of the bag and make it easier to carry. Then turn the t-shirt inside out so that the seams are on the outside. This step is important as it will allow the knots to be on the inside of the bag, giving it a neat and clean look once completed. Following this, cut slits along the bottom edge of the t-shirt, making them about 1 inch apart and about 3 inches deep. Make sure to cut through both layers of the t-shirt. These slits will be used to tie the bottom of the bags together, as we can see in this clip. As shown, start tying the front and back strips of fabric together into double knots. Ensure that each front strip is tied into the corresponding back strip. This will create the bottom of the bag and close up the holes, so take care to tie the knots tightly. Finally, once all the strips are tied, turn the t-shirt right side out. This will hide the knots and create that bag shape. Now let's put the bag to the test. First, a makeup bag. Next, my phone. And third, my headphones. Now on to our connection to sustainability. This DIY project significantly contributes to the reduction of textile waste. By repurposing old clothes into tote bags, we divert these materials from ending up in landfills, positively impacting our environment. This process of creating these tote bags also allows for the upcycling of garments. This DIY project involves creatively transforming something old or no longer in use into new and useful items. Instead of throwing away old clothes, we are now actually repurposing them into tote bags, extending their life cycle and further reducing waste. This further helps in promoting sustainable practices, such as reducing the demand for new materials such as cotton to make up new tote bags and minimizing the amount of textile waste, which, according to the roundup.org, on average globally 92 million tons are produced per year as of 2024. On a global scale, creating and using these tote bags is a small yet impactful step towards sustainable living. By reducing the demand for new materials and minimizing our environmental footprint, we contribute to the global effort in waste reduction and sustainable living practices. By actively participating in this meaningful cause at a local small level, we can make a positive impact on a global scale. Say it.
I love Imogene's tote bags.
I love Imogene's tote.